What are garnishments, and how are they used? Garnishments are a form of debt collection. When a creditor goes to the courts and requests a garnishment, they are essentially asking the court to freeze or seize certain assets until the debt is paid. One of the most commonly targeted assets is wages, hence the unique category of law for just wage garnishment. Likewise, this is the same garnishment that the Trump administration has requested for unpaid student loans. The Federal Consumer Credit Protection Act is the main authority on federal wage garnishments. They don't allow wages to be garnished beyond 25% of the take-home pay, or for an amount more than 30 times the minimum wage, whichever is less. There are also laws to protect the employment status of those who have had their wages garnished. Most importantly, garnishment law also varies by state. For example, Florida won't let the head of a household have their wages garnished. Texas, the Carolinas, and Pennsylvania don't permit wage garnishing for consumer debt at all. A 2023 study found that roughly 1 in 100 workers are subject to wage garnishment in the United States, losing an average 10% of their gross income. These numbers are expected to rise as credit card and other aspects of consumer debt are hitting record highs. It is likely that, amid ongoing university debt discussions and rising consumer debt, garnishments will be seeing a greater relevance in the coming years, so start learning about them now. If you or someone you know has had their wages garnished or might in the future, make sure they read up on local, state, and federal laws to ensure that the garnishments are within legal bounds. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, feel free to ask any questions you may have in the comments.